Welcome everyone. As the title says, we have a new code and step-by-step instructions for a great app for your TV streamer that you're going to love. If you're new here, my name is Andrew, and we bring you top picks about everyday tech stuff from TV streamers, camera gear, internet and cellular, Firestick, and Android updates to home tech and more. So if that interests you, please click on the subscription button below for more. Well, like I said, we know that many of you enjoy watching stuff on your TV streaming boxes. Well, this one has become a favorite with easy navigation and nice layout. You can install this on Firestick or Android and no mouse needed. So off we go. You should be very concerned with your personal information when jumping around the internet browsing or streaming by hiding yourself in a manner of speaking. I'm talking about NordVPN, a leader in the industry that can help you keep safe while on the internet, and also if you're wanting to watch geo-locked content. Many times when trying to view a program, it may have streaming restrictions as mentioned. Just choose a location in the world that suits your needs. Here, check out the deals going on right now that you can't pass up if you're serious about anonymity and your private information. Also, not letting anyone see what you are doing or watching. I have links below in the description and pinned in the comments for you. You could also just use the camera on your phone with this special QR code right here to make it easier than ever. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that you can try it for free with their no-hassle 30-day money-back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Or you can just keep hoping your luck doesn't run out. Give NordVPN a shot since it's free. You won't be sorry. GSE Smart IPTV Player is a popular application for streaming live TV and video-on-demand content on various devices, including iOS, Android, and smart TVs. It's designed to be a versatile and user-friendly platform for accessing IPTV services, allowing you to watch your favorite channels and shows from different providers. It can play a wide range of video formats, including popular streaming protocols like HLS, RTMP, and more. You can personalize the app's appearance with different themes and layouts. It supports electronic program guides, EPG, to help you easily find and schedule programs. You can set up parental controls to restrict access to certain content. How it works? First, obtain a playlist. You'll need an M3U playlist file from your IPTV provider. This file contains a list of channels and their respective streaming URLs. Next, add your M3U playlist to the app. You can usually do this by importing the file directly or entering the playlist URL. Once the playlist is imported, you can start watching your favorite channels and on-demand content. Important note: GSE Smart IPTV Player itself does not provide any content. You need to have a valid subscription to an IPTV service provider to access channels and content. It's a really nice player to have on your system. Let's go on. Okay, what we need to do is something many call jailbreaking, which is really just using the system to approve apps being installed without going through the Amazon App Store. Look, if you already know how to do this, then just jump ahead to this time to install the APK. First up, we need to install an app called Downloader. Then we will get into settings to be able to use the freshly downloaded app. Alright, let's not get ahead of myself. Click on the Find button. Next, scoot over to the search bar, then type in or use the voice function, whichever works for you. Start typing in DOWN. Okay, it's right here in the list below. Click on Downloader. Now I already have it installed, and if you not, you would get an Install button. Now that you have it installed on your device, click on the Home button. Next, scroll to the right for Settings. Scroll down to My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options in the list like I have, then go to About. Highlight Fire TV Stick 4K. Rapidly click 5 to 7 times, and you will see a message that you are now a developer. Let's go back to developer options and be sure ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources are turned on. On some newer Fire Sticks, it will say, install unknown apps instead, in which you can go directly to the app and give it permissions. If you have the first one shown, then let's go to the applications from the setting. Scroll down to Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down to the Downloader app. Click on it, then click Permissions to enable. Now you are officially jailbroken. That's easy. Okay, click on the Home button. Scroll to the right to the 3 squares icon and click it. This will bring up all your apps. Now scroll to the bottom and either press and hold the Select button or click the hamburger menu button on your remote. Then move the app to the top like this. Then click the Select button again, and you're all set. Here you can see it's the first app in the menu bar. Next, before we go any further downloading unknown apps, be sure to turn on your NordVPN. Choose a country, and then we can continue. If you do not have a NordVPN account, please use the links provided in the description and pinned in the comments for a free trial and a huge discount we arrange for our viewers. You could also just use the camera on your phone with this special QR code right here to make it easier than ever. Now to download and install new apps, you need to open Downloader. Click Allow if asked, and then choose folder location. I choose Yes on a new location. Read and OK the Quick Start Guide. Next, go to the left-hand menu and click on Settings, and be sure that these two are checkmarked. Click on Home at the top. Move your cursor in the search bar like this and click Select OK button. Next, enter the following code exactly like this: 298344. Click on Go. Give it a moment to do its thing. It will go out and get your download, or it can go to a web page for you to choose the download itself along with any others you may want to try. Scroll down to this one and click on it. Once downloaded, click on Install on this pop-up window. On the bottom right, click Install. Once it's done installing, click the Done button. Do not click the Open button. In the status box, click Delete and delete again. You don't need those installed folders any longer and save space in your storage. Things run faster too. Next, click on the Home button on your remote. Scroll to 3 squares to get all your apps again. Scroll down to the bottom. Highlight the newly downloaded app, then click the hamburger menu button on the remote and choose. Move to the front. Also remember to get NordVPN before using any outside apps. Link to a special discount for our viewers below. Click your Home button back to the main screen, and you will see the new app at the front of the menu bar. I hope you're all still with me, and if you are, please hit that like button. It sure helps us out. Also, maybe subscribe while you're there and become part of the crew. I sure would appreciate the support. Also, take a look at this video here to find out, are these Chinese TV boxes legal? What you need to know. We have had some really great responses from our viewers. You know the crew on this topic. Thanks for watching, and as Jim says, it's a great day, so keep smiling.